Anyways, moving on from this, let's talk about the technical analysis because we mentioned the technical analysis at the beginning. So going over the technical analysis, let's talk about this. First things first, you can see here BRISE is now at this little support here. So we can see that we're now at the support where it's saying high activity also is expected inside this support area. Now we do have this strong downtrend area where it's telling us on the indicators that we are going to suffer a strong downtrend. You can see it's going down a little bit, but I don't think it's going to be that strong. I think it's going to stop here at this support. And we're already stopping at the top side of this area here, of this green more demand area. So it's heavy demand in this area. And you can see that support is going to be at the 4.8 area. So we got 6-0. So I'm just going to say 6Z. So if you hear me say 6Z is because 6 zeros and then whatever number. So yeah, down here we got 6Z48. So 6 zeros and a 4.8. So we got 6Z48 down here. And right now we're at 6Z49. So I think that we're going to pull back a little bit more down to 6Z48 and possibly down to the lower side of 6Z48, where you see that the top of this area. Because the green areas for these indicators are supply and demand areas, and it shows whether it's more or less demand. Inside of the red areas, less demand. Inside of the green areas, more demand. But what we're seeing, even if we do pull back inside of BRISE, we can still see that we have the support even at the bottom of it at 6Z46. So we still have good support here for BRISE, even if we were to pull down a little bit more. So I think we could pull back a little bit more, and then we'll have the momentum of the overall market on our side. Because actually, if you look at things, in the last 7 days, BRISE has started to increase a little bit. And if you go over here, Bitgert has also been increasing. But you can also see Bitcoin and everything else has been trying to increase as well in the last 7 days. So if we keep having the increase of all these other cryptos, then we're also going to see Bitgert going up as well. So that'll be pretty cool to see. Now, remind you, that was just the 15-minute chart. This is the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is the long-term chart that you really want to pay attention to. And even the 4-hour chart is telling you that there's high activity here expected. So that's high activity for large whales. And when you see it getting all the way down to the support, you're going to see those whales are probably going to start doubling down when they see it around 6Z45, 6Z46. And if not, we do see that we do have some heavy support here. Like, let me go ahead and take this line back. This is actually a level that you would more than likely want to watch out for. And I'm going to tell you why. You want to watch out for this area here, particularly around 6Z43, 6Z44. Because if we drop below 4.5 and we hit 6.3, 6Z43 and 4.4, then what we're going to see is that next support line probably being met. And that next support line, as we can obviously see, is all the way down here. So that's around 6C30 and 6C33. So I know people don't want to see that, but we almost immediately blew past that area for a reason, and we'll almost immediately drop back down there for a reason. So just as fast as we rose is just as fast as we will be going down if we cannot hold the support. If we can't hold that support, it's going to be a straight drop straight down to the 6033, 6030 area. So that's what we got to watch out for the technicals here on Bitgert. So we're watching out for that. And yeah, like I said though, that's like the bottom. That's bottom territory. Let's be honest. That is complete like bottom of the Bitgert territory. Like that's where Bitgert is at its lowest. When we look at it at those levels there, Bitgert is always at its lowest. So I don't really foresee Bitgert going that far back. I don't see us going all the way down there. We know if we do go down there, a lot of people will be buying at those levels, but it's not the levels that we necessarily want to see Bitgert at. We just want to see it continue to grow because, that's just where we want to see. Now, if you look over here at the max time for Bitgert, you see we're still up 5.7% in the last year. And, we're still up 79% overall from our all-time low. But right now, what we want to see for Bitgert is getting over to all-time highs. We're trying to knock a zero out here inside of Bitgert. We're trying to get a zero out of Bitgert right now. But for now, we'll have to wait and see if we actually do pull all the way back down here to this level. Because if we do, then I guess a buying opportunity has presented itself. But if we don't, then I guess we missed those buying opportunities. So me personally, I see it as a buying opportunity. If it goes down, 30 days ago, we were up 52%. 30 days ago. And that was that massive jump that I was talking about. And that's what I was saying. We can have a massive drop just like how we had that massive jump. But that's just going to it's going to present a buying opportunity for us. See, if we just continue to rise, it's going to prevent that buying opportunity. But I think right now, if we drop just a little bit, at least down to, like I was saying before, 60.45, that would prevent or present a buying opportunity that people would jump on. And it could be what helps us rise and build momentum. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over that. Our market cap is looking healthy at $194 million. Our 24-hour trading volume is looking healthy at $1.8 million. It could be a little bit more for the trading volume, but right now we're doing good with market cap. Big shout out to everyone out there that watched the video. Also hit the like button and subscribe. This is the Marcellus Clips channel. On this channel, we will be continuing to grow, and I will continue to put the clips to all the videos on this channel just in case you don't want to watch the long form content. So definitely check that out. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers and plus and beyond, and stay tuned for another video.